Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. Look at all those greetings, Eric. Good morning. Glad to have you here, Michael, Shiv, and everyone else. All right. Hope you're having a good day so far. Pretty nice here. So nice to get up, wake up to the alarm, 5:45, and it's light outside. How about that? Enjoying it. I do like the seasons to change. All right. Market's been open 30 minutes. What's going on here? CNBC dashboard. Dow is off 0.11%, 35 points, which is, just kind of back and forth noise. S&P quarter point. NASDAQ is down 0.18%. Big picture, Tim Cook, Apple, multi-billion-dollar deal with Broadcom for US made chips. Look at that. All right, Lowe's came in. I think their, at least their earnings, maybe their revenue came in meeting expectations, but their forecast was a little bit weak, and said spending by DIYers weakening. People kind of, that whole pandemic bulge kind of over, it looks like. Protesters at the oil giants Shell's shareholders meeting. So the biggest deal affecting the markets is the debt ceiling. Yesterday, Speaker McCarthy, President Biden had a meeting. It was productive and professional. Well, at least they didn't call each other's names anymore. But no deal yet. And yesterday we did a poll, and I think we got 13 responses, and 12 out of 13 said, yeah, they're going to get a deal. They're going to get a deal. All right, we could read what the biggest analyst calls are on NVIDIA, Tesla, Microsoft, Zoom, Chevron, Meta, and more if we paid for a premium account. Not going to, so that will remain a mystery. We can figure it out ourselves. All right, there were a handful of other stores who reported earnings. Like I said, Lowe's was kind of a big deal. I read through the list, up 1%, down 2%. I think Yelp was down 11%. Activist shareholders saying, yeah, it's time to either revamp this thing or sell it, pursue a sale. Hey, Mark's here. Good morning, Mark. So again, the market's on the edge of their seat waiting for this X day for the debt ceiling. This is March 23rd. We got a week. Come on, guys, get it done. And I expect it'll probably go right out to that deadline. And miraculously, they'll get a deal. And that's my forecast. There was one other headline here that I thought was noteworthy that we should mention, and that is Saudi oil minister warns market speculators to watch out ahead of the OPEC Plus meeting. So do you think he's warning that oil is going to go down dramatically? Let's look at a chart. We always want to look at a chart when we talk about something. Here it comes. So here's the peak last year. Here we are. Peak was 120, over 120. We're at 73. Do you think the oil minister saying, yeah, look out, prices are going to drop? We should do a poll on that one too. Huh? I think it might be going up. All right. Speaking of charts, S&P 500 daily chart. What do we got? We talked yesterday about how, yet again, it broke out of the pyramid and was a pretty good short-term trade. We did have that XPXL trade. For those who stayed in it, it did pretty good, but it also did hit the stop. All right, a little pullback here. Normal price moves high, higher, low. Not very, much. Price action is, right last couple of days, kind of sideways-ish. And again, debt ceiling is what it's all about. And I don't think we're going to get too much movement until that's resolved. And when it is resolved, it will be. I am forecasting. I think the market will continue up. as we showed yesterday, we'll show it again. Right, where we at, big picture, we had a big wave 3, we had a correction, we're heading up into wave 5. Target on that wave 5 is up above in between these green lines. It's got a ways to go, new highs. Won't happen overnight, it will take some time. That is the trend we are in using technical analysis. Things could, fall apart, heaven forbid they don't get a deal, look out below.